Colorize photos. AI Enhancer is an Android application designed to transform black and white images into vibrant, colorized photos using artificial intelligence technology. This app leverages advanced algorithms to analyze grayscale images and intelligently predict and apply realistic colors based on the content of the photo. The user interface is typically simple and user-friendly, allowing users to easily upload their black and white images and initiate the colorization process with just a few taps. The app often offers options for adjusting color settings and fine-tuning the results to enhance the overall look of the photo. Beyond simple colorization, Colorize Photos AI Enhancer may also include features such as image enhancement tools that improve overall quality and detail, making old photos look more aesthetically pleasing. Users can save their colorized images directly to their devices or share them on social media platforms. Overall, Colorize Photos AI Enhancer is a valuable tool for anyone looking to breathe new life into old photographs, providing a convenient way to experience history in vivid color.